What a beautiful day. Sometimes all people need is a little kindness.
Help! Please, somebody help me. I can't see properly. Where am I stepping?
Mama, careful! You almost fell inside.
God bless you, my daughter.
It's okay, Mama. I've got you.
Yes, this is my chance. She left the car open.
Hey, stop! That's my car! Somebody help me! What happened? My daughter, what happened? She stole my car.
This car looks expensive. Where did you get it?
The owner needs money urgently. Something about this car feels strange. So are you buying or not?
There's a phone here.
Forget the phone.
Wait, this is my wife's phone.
I knew this car looked familiar.
Amanda, where are you?
They stole my car.
Listen carefully. Stay calm. Come to this location now.
Okay.
That's her! She stole my car! No, wait! I can't explain!
You're under arrest.
Thank God everyone is safe!
Over now.
Kindness is a beautiful thing, but wisdom and carefulness are equally important.